Hi guys, it's great to see you here. So in this channel we are going to provide job updates every day. So if you wish to receive job updates daily, so subscribe and turn on that notification bell icon and also support us by liking the videos. So coming to the details, Alkem, a great place to work certified company, is conducting walk-in on 17th and 18th of this month, July, Monday and Tuesday from 9 a.m. onwards. For the location, formulation unit at Baddi, Himachal Pradesh. Coming to the roles, operator, technician, or engineering, ITI diploma, electrical instrumentation with 3 to 10 years of experience, area of expertise, utility and process maintenance. For officer or senior officer, quality control, Bpharm, MSc chemistry with 2 to 6 years of experience. The area of expertise is finished product stability study, instrumental analysis. The next is executive or senior executive, OSD. Bpharm, Mpharm with 3 to 8 years of experience, exposure of handling core manufacturing area, regulatory exposure, etc. The next is operator or technician, OSD manufacturing, IT or diploma with 3 to 10 years of experience. The area of expertise is coating, granulation, etc. So coming to the address of the walk-in interview, Alkem Laboratories, VPO Tain, Baddi District, Salon, Himachal Pradesh, 15 minutes distance from Annapurna Hotel, Budh Barrier. So these are the details. Carry the required documents mentioned here on the screen. For details, you can contact them.